What's cracking, guys? I just got back from gym and I'm ready to smash this thing now. We are basically done. Done. Famous developer proverb. And we just need to now attach a custom domain to this because this isn't very user friendly. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. And we will start with our Firebase project. Basically, we're going to add a custom domain to our Firebase hosting sites, and we're going to add the DNS records in. Well, I'm using Squarespace purely because I was using Google domains and they migrated my domains to Squarespace, so I'm just like stuck with them now. I couldn't be bothered to transfer my domains anywhere else, and it's been pretty good so far. Anyway, Squarespace. So this is my DNS settings for the the Pixay domain, which I've purchased amongst many other domains that have been gathering dust. So we're gonna go to our hosting for our website, for our app. We're gonna go and add a custom domain here. We're just gonna say whatthepixsay.com. So if you're doing it for your project, obviously put whatever your custom domain you're using. And I'll just do that. And Firebase is going to give us some values that I'm going to use to pop into our Squarespace DNS settings. And I really hope that once I use them, no one can actually do anything with it. Please don't hack me. That sounds like a challenge. It's not. But anyway, let's pop them in here. I just want to show you how it's done. And this is just a default Firebase RP. So I think what they do is any traffic served to this RP at the root of this domain, they will then use this text record, I think, to look up a hosting site. And the host is also at. And then we just add the value they gave us there, which is hosting site equals what the Pixay production. So I think that's our Firebase, how to interpret this traffic from the custom domain. So with that, we should be able to verify it. It's usually not available immediately. It takes a while for things to propagate. Records not detected. Okay, that's all right. You can also there's a tool called whatmydns.net that you can use to check if your DNS records have propagated. And I don't know if this is actually checking if this is propagated, or maybe it has. Maybe it's already working. That would be insane. It's usually not this quick. Oh, it's already propagated. So the only place it hasn't propagated to was Bangkok, Thailand, and Singapore. But anyway, that's verified. Damn, things have gotten quicker. Hasn't usually been this fast. So now what I can do is I should be able to visit this and see my app. And it's blocked because I use NextDNS and I haven't allowed it. But if you weren't using NextDNS, should go through. Oh, you know what? Minting certificate. So this is going to take a while. It's just creating a little, what do you call it? HTTPS certificate. Whatever the certificate is to make this thing secure. That is what Firebase is generating now using probably, I forgot the name now, the main certificate provider. Anyway, it's doing its thing. I don't really know too much about that. I just want to know that this site is working. So in the meantime, I'm going to go and connect the rest of the project. So we have an admin app too. For the admin app, you're going to do the same thing, except we're going to go admin.whatthepixsay.com. And we will just continue. And now, because we've already added these, records, I think Firebase registers that, and it's just like, oh, okay, they already own this domain. We just need a CNAME now. So the CNAME is just gonna allow our admin subdomain to work. So let's see how we do that. Just pop the value they provided and save. And that probably won't have propagated immediately. Let's actually check records. I don't know if that's gonna work. CName. So now it should have gone through. No, not yet. Anyway, I don't know if it's going to work like this, to be honest, but I'll check back again. We can close that for now. So we've added custom domains for our admin and our app. We can also do the same for our staging project while we add it. We have a few sites here. We only have 2. We thought we had one for Storybook, but apparently not. That's okay. So how we do this is very similar. We'll just go staging. For the app, we'll go staging.whatthepixay.com. And this is probably also going to ask us to add a CName record at the staging subdomain. CName, boom, boom, boom. Okay. And likewise, oops, need setup, verify. And then I'll close. Likewise, the admin app, exact same thing, except this time we're going to go admin.staging.whatthepixay. And you could do it staging.admin, however you like it. And this will also be a CName record with that value. And for this one, we're just going to go admin.staging. CName, and edit. Cool. All our records are added. One thing we haven't thought of is so this @ symbol applies to, you know, what the Pixay root. So that's the root that looks like that. But you notice there's no www. That's actually a subdomain, so we need to also redirect that. So what we'll do in that case is, as far as I know, it is we add a www. I think we add another CName, just like we do with the other ones, but we want that to redirect to the original site. So that is just what the Pixay production of that. Invalid. Okay, that's alright. Cool, so now www should redirect to the @root. So if the user goes there, they should be redirected to that. I think. I hope. Let's see if it all works. I'm gonna maybe wait around and confirm that these are all working. I mean, the certificate creation step does take a while, and then I'll unpause once that is done. So see you in a bit.